Said I need a box of Reds and a bottle of Jack. Store man says, as a matter of fact, son, all I need to see is your ID. Well, old man, funny as it seems, I must have left it in my other jeans. You said, son, I've gotta obey the law. But I know what you are doing, and it hasn't been real long since I was living it up, living it big like I was in a country song. We had Freebird, Bud cans, and fishing poles, and all our friends, and a slip and slide 100 feet long. We had the bonfires, the new tattoos. You always had a pretty girl next to you. You said, son, there ain't nothing wrong with living life like you're in a country song. Like you're in a country song. You said, here you go, son, let me keep you on track. Pointed to the biggest case of Coke in the back. Said, with that stuff there, you know you can't go wrong. You know, you don't need to have booze to have fun, but that's a lesson you'll learn someday, son. But for now, it's you who makes that call. Well, I can't sell it to you, but I won't kick you out. It's better safe than sorry, son, and that's what fun is all about.